Welcome to the AI Bootcamp. Today we're kicking off a journey that will reshape how you think about work, how you solve problems, and how you use the tools you already rely on every day. Artificial intelligence isn't a distant future technology anymore. It's here, it's powerful, and it's becoming a core part of how modern organizations operate. But here's the important part. You don't need to be a programmer, a data scientist, or a technical expert to use AI effectively. You just need a basic understanding of how these tools behave, what they're good at, and how to guide them. That's what this bootcamp is all about, giving you the confidence and the practical skills to use AI as a partner in your daily work. Let's start with something simple. What AI actually is. When we talk about AI in the workplace, especially tools like Microsoft 365 Copilot, we're talking about systems that analyze patterns in language, documents, data, conversations. See, they don't think like humans. They don't have opinions or emotions. They're not conscious. What they are is incredibly good at predicting what comes next based on the information they've been trained on. That means AI can draft, summarize, rewrite, analyze, brainstorm, and help you make sense of information faster than ever before. But it also means AI can be wrong, or overly confident, or occasionally misunderstand what you meant. That's why your judgment, your clarity, and your ability to guide the tool matter more than ever. Think of AI as a powerful assistant, one that works at the speed of thought, but still needs direction. Now, why does this matter for us as an organization? Because the way we work is changing. We're all dealing with more information, more communication, and more complexity than ever before. Email threads that never end, meetings that generate pages of notes, documents scattered across drives, sites, SharePoint, OneDrive, inboxes, data that's technically available but practically impossible to sift through. AI helps cut through all that noise. It can summarize a 40-email conversation in seconds. It can turn a rough idea into a polished document. It can analyze a spreadsheet and highlight trends you might have missed. It can take meeting notes and automatically extract action items. It can help you write, plan, research, and communicate with more clarity and less effort. And because Copilot is built into the Microsoft 365 tools you already use, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, Loop, and more, you don't have to learn a brand new system. You just learn how to ask it for what you need. That brings us to one of the most important ideas in this bootcamp: prompting. Prompting is simply the way you talk to AI, and the clearer you are, the better the results. You learn how to give AI context, constraints, examples, and roles. You learn how to iterate, because the first answer is rarely the final answer. And you'll learn how to use prompting patterns that consistently produce high-quality results. But prompting isn't just a technical skill. It's a mindset shift. It's learning to think in terms of outcomes instead of tasks. Instead of, I need to write this from scratch, you start thinking, I need a first draft that sounds like this for this audience with these key points. Instead of, I have to read all these emails, you think, I need a summary that tells me the decisions, the risks, and the next steps. AI doesn't replace your expertise, it amplifies it. Now let's talk about Copilot specifically, because it's going to be a major part of your daily workflow. Copilot is integrated directly into the Microsoft 365 apps you already use. In Outlook, it can summarize long threads, draft replies, rewrite messages for tone, and extract tasks. In Teams, it can recap meetings you missed, highlight decisions, and generate follow-ups. In Word, it can draft documents from scratch or rewrite existing content. In PowerPoint, it can turn a simple prompt, or even a Word document, into a full slide deck. In Excel, it can analyze data, build formulas, and create charts. And because Copilot works with your organizational data, your documents, your emails, your calendars, your SharePoint sites, it can give you insights that generic AI tools simply can't. It understands your context. It understands your projects. It understands your language. But with that power comes responsibility. We'll talk about responsible AI use, privacy, and data security throughout this bootcamp. You'll learn what Copilot can access and what it can't, and how your data stays protected. You'll also learn how to verify AI-generated content and how to check for accuracy, and how to avoid common pitfalls like hallucinations or outdated information. This bootcamp is designed to meet you where you are. If you're brand new to AI, you'll get fundamentals. If you're already experimenting, you'll learn advanced prompting techniques and workflow design. And if you're somewhere in the middle, you'll get practical, real-world examples that help you build confidence quickly. You'll see how AI can support communication, project management, data analysis, creativity, and decision-making. You'll learn how to build repeatable workflows that save time and reduce friction. And you'll see how different roles across the organization, HR, finance, operations, sales, IT, customer service, they can all use AI in ways that are specific to their daily responsibilities. But most importantly, this bootcamp is about culture. It's about creating an environment where people feel comfortable experimenting, sharing what works, and learning from each other. AI adoption isn't a one-time event. It's a continuous process of discovery, refinement, and improvement. We want you to feel empowered, not overwhelmed, curious, not cautious, confident, not intimidated. By the end of this bootcamp, you'll understand how AI works, how Copilot fits into your daily workflow, and how to use these tools to reduce digital chaos, improve clarity, and get more done with less effort. You'll have the skills to turn AI into a trusted partner, one that helps you think, create, and collaborate at a higher level. So, take a breath, get ready to explore, and remember, you don't have to master everything at once. You just have to start. Every prompt you try, every workflow you test, every experiment you run, that's progress. Let's begin the journey together. Welcome to the AI Bootcamp.